Hi guys, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us? And look what we're making today. Chocolate covered potato chips. Can you get anything better in the world? Nope. So stay with me. Let's get everything set up. We're going to do it. I'm going to do mine right on a double boiler, which I use a makeshift glass bowl and just a regular little sauce pot. But you can do yours in the microwave. It's simple, it's easy, and then we're just going to dip our potato chips and enjoy them. All right, guys, stay with me. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going through the bag of chips, and I'm just looking for the big ones because I like these really big ones. And when eating chips, even without chocolate covered coating, I like these big chips. And my pet peeve, guys, let me tell you, is when people roll that bag down so tight and they're breaking all the chips. And I'm like, no. But anyway, I'm eating these as I'm separating them. So I got to put them in the bag or else I'm going to keep eating them. But you can do the broken ones as well, or the smaller ones as well. I'm using a dark chocolate. I don't know if I said that or if you've seen it in the video, but you can use semi-sweet, mix them, any flavors, milk chocolate, dark chocolate. Okay, I'm heating the water for the double boiler, so that's why I figured we might as well go through these steps. So what I do is, usually you have all this chocolate left over after making chocolate covered, treats. So I like to use the rest for raisins or craisins, which are dried cranberries, and almonds or whatever you have, whatever nuts, raisins, and mix them all up in a bowl and then just put them out in spoonfuls. And then that way you have extra little treats and you don't have to just throw the chocolate away. Well, I eat it out of the bowl by the spoonful, but throw it away because you can't really get the chip down in there when it's just at the bottom. So, yeah, let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. Oh my God, I'm getting so excited. I'm out of breath. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just got a small saucepan. I just brought it to a light boil. The seam's probably going all up in my camera. Just set a bowl on top like this. See all that steam? And I'm going to use up the rest of this bag. Even though they're not all the same, it's okay. Ooh, these are the big ones. I didn't even notice that. But anyway, yeah, and then you're just going to bring it over to the stove and let it melt. It probably would finish melting right here. I'm going to try that. All right, so melting this chocolate is so simple and easy. You can also do it in the microwave. But I also added a tablespoon of coconut oil, but you could, use any different oil you choose. And then if the water starts to get too hot, you hear that noise? Take it right off the stove and it'll just continue to melt. You can see it down there. See it boiling down there? You don't really want it to boil. You just want it to be like a light simmer. So yeah, so like in real time, guys, this is already coming, melting. See that? So the residual heat will keep melting your chocolate. Oh, we fogged up the camera, sorry. But I wanted to show you guys. So you can just take it right over to the counter and just keep letting it melt. And if you need to, you can reheat it to soften it up again if it starts thickening up on you. So yeah, I probably forgot to say I used a 10-ounce bag of chocolate. And see that? See all the steam that's still in there? Just make sure the bowl, the bottom of the bowl, is not touching the water. It just should be sitting on the water, on the pan, like using the pan to hold it. And look at how simple this is, see? We're just about there. Use a rubber scraper and just keep going around. And look at that, it's done. And like I was saying, you can just put it right back on this heat because see that water's going to stay warm for a while. But make sure no water gets into your chocolate because if it does, the chocolate will seize up on you and you won't be able to fix it. There's nothing you can do. So, yeah. Don't get water on your spatula in your bowl. And make sure your bowl is good and dry when you're starting. Oh my gosh, nothing like amazing chocolate. All right, let me get this set up and we'll start dipping chips. Here we go. Look at this. Beautiful. And I'm just going to do it just like this because it's still really hot. So I don't want to dip the chips right in there at such a hot temperature. There we go. And this is fun. I don't know about you guys, but I love chips and chocolate. I mean, I think everybody loves salt and chocolate and, you know, sweet and salty. But then just drip off the west. I can't talk today. Drip off the rest like that. And put it right here on, I use a silk pad. And, but you could use, you know, like wax paper or parchment paper. But yeah, it's not as hot now, so I'm just going to do it with my fingers and let it drip. See that, you guys? Oh my God. I'm just going to fix this one up so no one will know my finger was there in the way. So I'm just going to do up a few of these, and then we're going to do up the other little craisins and nuts. And then, guys, you just let these harden, whether right here on your counter, or you can just put them right in your fridge for about 10 or 20 minutes or so. This is so fun, I think. It's amazing to see what chocolate can do. I watch a lot of cooking shows, but I like to watch those chocolatier guys, I mean, or girls, and they can just do about anything with chocolate, and it's amazing. But anyway, you know what my favorite thing is to eat with potato chips is chocolate cake. That, to me, it could be a meal. A piece of chocolate cake and some potato chips. Oh, my God. All right, my furnace is about to come on, or it's trying to. It most likely will. So I'm going to do up a bunch more. I think you guys get the hint. Or the, yeah, what is it called? The idea. I can't find my words. Okay. So this is what I was talking about. You have just a little bit left. You could do the rest of the potato chips, but I like to have some fun and put some craisins in there. And plus you can make a lot with just that little bit of chocolate. And actually, guys, I think I only used about 8 ounces of the chocolate. So if you want to do more, you can do more. See how you can cover all these and you can actually get a lot. So you could also put marshmallows in here. You could put coconut, anything you want. Anything you want covered in chocolate. So yeah, just get all that chocolate in there. Looks like we can even do some more. And then what I do is I save these little papers from cookies or whatever. No sense wasting them. I hate to waste things that you can try to reuse. And I just put them in there and make up like your own little kind of candy bar. That's why I say you could put anything in here and it's your own homemade candy bar. Just give it a good mix so that everything's covered. And I think everything's covered and looks good to me. And just take some of it. Put it in there. You could use your little cupcake liners. You could just use a cupcake pan. Or you could just put them on paper, wax paper, what do you call it? Parchment paper. Yeah. So, I'm going to do up some more of these. I like to put them in these papers because then you can store them and, I don't know, And you're not wasting those little papers. And you can make them as big as you want too, guys. You could make them really big, a little bit smaller. And this is so fun, and they're so delicious. I don't know if you guys watched my chocolate-covered strawberries video, but I made these, and at first I thought they didn't come out right, and they were all sticky, but later on that day, I went to go have one. Oh my God, it was so perfect and so good. Go check out that video, guys, chocolate-covered strawberries. I'm actually going to do some white chocolate-covered strawberries for Valentine's Day. Here we go. I think we can do a couple more. Oh, wait, one more. Look at that. And, you know, they don't have to be the same size. They can all be different, bigger, smaller. All right, let me get this cleaned up. Like I always tell you guys, clean as you go. And we'll take the chips out of the fridge. All ready. They're all ready. Look at these. And you guys, I probably keep saying this over and over, but if you don't have these seal pads, go out and buy them so you can save on wax paper, parchment paper. But look at how easily they come up. And they, oh, that one's, they don't even really make a mess on the pan or anything. See that? All right. I'm going to take one and give it a bite, and we'll see how crunchy they are. Ooh. So good, you guys. Look at the chocolate. Oh, my God. Let me get a napkin. Ooh, so good. All right, you guys can find this pan and the seal pad on my Amazon store if you want to go check that out. I'm not promoting it to make money because I don't make no money off it and haven't since. But sometimes people are looking for the things I'm using. And I also wanted to say, guys, you could do chocolate-covered cherries, bananas, you know, anything tastes good with chocolate. So give these a try. I'm going to put these all in a nice pretty bowl so we can take a thumbnail. And, yeah. But, you know, these will come up off of wax paper or the parchment just as good. Not as good, but, you know, pretty good. So look at these. Look at how pretty. Look at that. All right. Let me get them set up in a bowl. All right, here we have it, guys. These are absolutely amazing and so easy, simple and easy. So I want you guys all to give these a try. If you're new and you like this video, hit the subscribe button for more. And to all my regulars who keep coming back and supporting me, thank you. God bless you. And yeah, hit the like button. And also, guys, I have a lot of playlists. Go check them all out. I have more treats, more snacks, dinners, you know, so much. So go check them all out. And if anything you're looking for, you could probably find on there. Anything simple and easy. And then just put this in an airtight container. And there you have it. You have them stored. These can just stay just like this, or I usually put them in like a little tin. And, yeah, these are so good. And you can give them away as gifts. Put them in like a little, what is those bags called? Oh, what are them bags called? Them clear bags. You know, you put in there, put a little ribbon on them. Oh, my God, they'd be great for gifts. These can go in a tin or, you know, any type of little container. And these will be great gifts as well. I used to do this for, like, Christmas, give them away as gifts, get a little cute little tin, put them in there. This is my first time doing the potato chips, but I try to cover everything I can find. Just go around your house and get the kids going. Look for everything you can find, you know, and have fun with it. So it tastes bad with chocolate on the top of it. Even bacon. You could even do bacon. But, yeah, guys, give these a try. Hope you like it. Stay tuned for more. Be safe out there. And as always, guys, be blessed.